Here we are, we're visiting Wentworth Woodhouse. Nice view from the terrace. Wentworth Woodhouse. Some work progressing. It's certainly done some work since we visited beginning of the year, must admit. Garden's looking nice there. He's going running in down there. Nice little borders. I know, bees galore, isn't there?
I don't even know what they are. When they come in, they take them that side because there's loads of bees.
Mia chilling in a deck chair. You roly-poly down that bit. Yes, it's turning warm now. Yeah, it's certainly altered a bit since we come, hasn't it? From with repairs and everything through summer, yeah. Nice day out. Are you hungry? Mia's on a mission, she's hungry. Can you find where cafe is? Look on map and directors. Go on then, directors. Right, I better go and get something to eat. Kids are starving. Find your way down the path. We're going round for Wentworth Cafe. Well, it's down at house, isn't it? So, right. So they got some bits for kids to play, games and that. Like keeping them occupied for a bit. Must admit, it's been a beautiful day here. Plenty of grounds to wander around. We've still got house to look in yet, so we'll have a look at the house a bit later on. Have a little pan round. I'm only on my phone today. I never thought brought my camera today for some reason, so I'm doing it on my old phone. About as good as it's going to get. Yeah, it's a grand house, must admit. It's got a lot of work to be done to it yet, but it's going to cost probably millions to do it. But at least it's getting done up. So this is where you come in with all the pillars, which supports the marble room above. Probably the Downtown Abbey room, innit? Be able to run wild in here, wouldn't you, Mia? Usually find it that green colour, don't they, these houses, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're only a short little tour around, but well worth it. It'll look impressive when it's all finished. Just going downstairs and be careful. WW Wentworth Woodhouse. Well, that's kept grandkids entertained for a bit. I think it might at one time been like a pond or something. A pond, or maybe even a swimming pool. Now there's nothing, it's just empty. Might have been a fish pond, or...
There's over there, stairs like here.
Yeah. The stairs all 3 places, isn't there? I don't know what it is, I can't read what it says. It's got 17/3/2003. I definitely can't read it now.
And it's even...
It's got tennis balls on it anyway.
I know.
So we found the beehives, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's against the gnarly twisted tree.
I thought...
Nothing like a gnarly twisted tree, is there?
I thought that was the bee's house.
And if we walk straight down there,
Yeah.
we'll end up back at house and we'll find your mum and Nan and Mia. So we just haven't found the grizzly bear yet, have we? We found the beehives, but we didn't find the grizzly bear, did we? So we're not sure where the grizzly bear is, do we? I think if we go into these woods, no, that's not nettles, that one. I think if we go into these woods, I think I can see a grizzly bear. That's his water drinking trough. So we'll go and see him. It's only made out of wood. So I think we can see the grizzly bear.
I can't even move.
I can see the sign, look, there's the sign.
Yeah.
Wentworth grizzly bear. There he is. You found him, didn't we? Hey?
And he's made out of sticks.
He is.
I'm going to touch him.
He is, look. Come on then. So we found the grizzly bear. No, there's only that one grizzly bear, so you found everything. So you've had a nice play, you've had a paint and a bit of crafting day. You played a bit of cricket. So we better return back. So say goodbye to Mr. Grizzly. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Grizzly. We'll go and find your mummy, Nan and Mia. Well, it's the right place to be, isn't it, in the woods for a grizzly bear? Isn't it? Hey? Definitely. So have you enjoyed yourself today?
Yeah, but I just saw a leaf in the stick grizzly bear.
Oh, did you? Yeah.
And it was on his hand.
Yeah. Well, now you know not to go near stinging nettles now, don't you? Grandad's shown you how to use a dock leaf.
Look at that.
Yeah. There we are, back at house. And the sun's still shining. Right, so that's it from Wentworth Woodhouse.
There's that cricket.
We'll go and find Karen, Mia and Faye, our daughter, and we'll get back off home. That's one big house, Wentworth Woodhouse. There is some deer up there, but I don't think you'll see them. That's the best bit of zoom I've got on my phone. That's been a good day. Hope you've enjoyed this little day out with us today. Silly me, forgot the phone, only got my phone, so everything's done on my phone, which isn't the best phone anyway. But it's been a lovely day. Grandkids have enjoyed it. So if you like what you're seeing, please do the YouTubey stuff. and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.